I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting remote access to a real iOS device in the cloud. That is the only reliable way to run iOS apps on Android. Sign up for a reputable cloud iOS provider, verify identity, and pick a session with App Store access. Once done, install the provider's remote client on your Android phone so you can connect. Make sure your network is stable. A laggy connection will make Instagram feel sluggish, so use Wi-Fi or a good 5G signal. Next, connect from Android to the cloud iOS session and sign into an Apple ID inside that environment. This lets you access the App Store. Search and install Instagram within the remote device, just like on an iPhone. Once installed, open Instagram and log into your account, granting camera and mic permissions inside the remote session. Since you're controlling the iOS UI from Android, learn the remote gestures briefly. They map taps and swipes, so the app behaves the same. To finish, use Instagram inside the cloud iOS screen as if it were on an iPhone. Post, story, direct message, and use Reels. Pinch, swipe, and tap through the remote client. Make sure to enable microphone and camera forwarding in the provider settings if you want live video. If performance lags, reduce stream quality or switch to a closer server region. Troubleshooting tip: if the remote session disconnects or camera won't forward, restart the session and reauthorize app permissions. Contact provider support when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.